Hello friends, today we will be unboxing a novel product. This is a ultraviolet sterilizer with wireless charging. This product has been designed for Samsung. It's not manufactured by Samsung, but it has been designed for Samsung and it is sold exclusively through Samsung eStore. Here is the box packing. It's in white color, and if you see to the side, the MRP price quoted on the box is 3,999 rupees. So you can purchase this directly from the Samsung India eStore. Going into the specs of the product, this product contains a UVC lamp which can be used for sterilizing your cell phone, your wireless earphones or wired earphones, keys, some sort of small items that you carry daily. You can utilize this product to sterilize them. It kills up to 99% of harmful bacteria which resides on the surface of the product. And another unique feature with this product is it supports wireless charging. So when you put the product, if your product supports wireless charging, when you put it for sterilization, it charges the product as well. So you can see here the power rating for this product is 9 volts 2 amps and 5 volts 2.1 amps, the input power that it accepts, and the wireless charging is at 10 watt, which is the regular charging power. And you can see here the sterilization time is 10 minutes for the product that you put inside, and it weighs around 370 grams. Okay, so this product is designed for Samsung. It is not manufactured by Samsung directly. It is manufactured by a third party exclusively for Samsung. Now let's get into the unboxing. We have two seals on the bottom of the box, one over here and one over here. Quickly opening the seals. Okay. First we have the product itself. It's quite big. It's white in color, so as you can see here, this is the product. At the back you have USB Type-C port, so this is the power input for the product. And at the bottom you have the Samsung CNT branding and the power ratings. So this is a UV sterilizer with wireless charging. So once you open the product, inside we have the power cable, USB to USB A to USB Type-C cable, and a wireless charging user manual. So if you look into the manual, it shows the placement of the ultraviolet lamps. The lamps are placed on the side, one over here and another over here. So you have two UV lamps, and it starts working only when you close the lid. So you can't have the UV lamps on while the lid is open. This is because it uses the UVC light. Okay, so the product description, it shows here there is an LED indicator cum light switch here in the front of the product. This is the sterilization switch. The LED indicator is over here, and inside you have the wireless charging pad and the two UV lamps on the sides. It would have been nice had the UV lamp been in this region, so that the surface of the product also would be thoroughly sterilized. I'm not sure how well the product would be sterilized if it's not the lamp is not present on this. Maybe the light gets reflected by the surface, could be that. So it shows here how the sterilizer need to be connected with USB charging cable. And this doesn't have any built-in battery as such, and once again they have listed the product specifications here. It would have been nice if they would have provided the power adapter as well, but they have provided only the cable. So at this price point, a cable along with the charger would have been nice. So this is a USB Type A to Type-C cable, and this can be used to power the device. This is the USB wireless charger. So if you place a phone inside the device, I'll just show you for size comparison. I'm just going to show you my phone here. This is a 6.5 inch device, so I'm placing it like this so you can see it here. And if it has wireless charging, it gets charged as well. So both of them happen. This is the product. Once again, it has a magnetic locking and it says here UV sterilizer, and this is the box. It's pretty big. It's not compact as such, it's big, so you can place it where you have sufficient space for this size of a box. That's it for this quick unboxing of the Samsung UV sterilizer. Thank you.